Carefully pinch open a gap from the top of the canopy frame and gently remove the light sheet. The light sheet is a plastic product with limited bending degree. Remember to be gentle when operating. Unscrew the screws at the four corners of the canopy frame. And one in the middle of the frame bottom. Remove the frame. Align the grooves and install them one by one. Push hard. Note that the notch on the lightbox frame should be aligned to the door hinge in the lower right corner. Align the 5 screw holes. After positioning, lock the screw. Find the groove of the frame from the upper right, align the light piece with the groove, and gently insert it. Carefully install the last corner into the groove. Push the light frame tightly and complete the replacement.